All right, hi everybody. This question says, a line passes through the points negative 3, 5 and negative 2, negative 1. And it asks which of the following statements is true. Now, I guess before we do that, we really should come up with the equation of the line here. Okay? So it's going through negative 3, 5 and negative 2, negative 1. First thing we should really do is come up with a slope. Okay, and so what do we got here? It's going to be negative 1 minus 5 over negative 2 minus negative 3. So negative 1 minus 5, okay, is going to be negative 6. Negative 2 minus negative 3 is going to be negative 2 plus 3, or 1. So our slope here is just going to be negative 6. Now, we can put that immediately into slope, well, point slope form, I guess, might be the easiest thing to do. Let's choose this one right here. So point slope form would look like this. Y plus 1 is going to equal negative 6, x plus 2. Okay? Now, at this point here, let's take a quick look at the statements. So it also passes through, now I had to do a little bit of editing here, it also passes through the point 4, negative 37. Okay, let's see if that's true. If I plug 4 into this, okay, 4 plus 2 is going to be 6. 6 times negative 6 will be negative 36, and then if you subtract the 1 from it, you do in fact get negative 37. So actually, yeah, that's true. It does do that. Okay. Does it have an x-intercept of negative 13/6? Well, what does it mean to have an x-intercept here? Well, okay, x-intercept means the y-coordinate is 0. So let's go up to here. If I plug a 0 into this, maybe we'll do the work over here. If I plug a 0 into that, I get 0 plus 1 is equal to negative 6 times x plus 2. Okay, well, let's divide that first. So it's going to be negative 1/6 is equal to x plus 2. So negative 1/6 minus 2 is equal to x. Okay, now remember, to subtract, what I got to do is I have to have common denominators. Now the 2 here is like negative 2 over 1. So that means that this is going to be equivalent to this will be equal to negative 1/6 minus 12 over 6. Okay, I have to have common numbers. I have to multiply numerator and denominator by 6 to get common denominators. And now I simply subtract the numerators. So negative 1 minus 12, there's my negative 13 over 6. Okay, well that it does have an x-intercept of negative 13/6. Okay, good, that's true. Finally, is perpendicular to 1/6 x plus 2. Now that's all about the slopes. Now I got to go back here. My slope was negative 6. The negative reciprocal of that would be positive 1 over 6. Well, there it is. Yeah, that's true too. So all three of them are true. And if I look at my options here, the only one that says that is D. So the answer here is D.